Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Wendy and you are watching Wendy with the Eye. I have another black girl unboxing for you. This is actually something that I got from Etsy. And let me tell you, I am so I'm over the moon excited about being able to wear this. And yeah, I'm just so excited. If you have any questions about who I got this from, how much, all of that, leave me a comment below and I will get to it, I promise. You guys, look at this. Just, oh, look at it. Oh, it's so cute. It is so cute. Oh, beautiful. Love it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.